If you've ever struggled with messy audio in your videos, you know how quickly background noise can ruin a good take. Today I am walking you through exactly how I use Vizard to rescue audio and turn long, noisy footage into snackable clips. First, the golden rule of recording is that physical treatment, like sound blankets or foam, is always your best defense. But let's be real, life is not always a perfect studio environment, and sometimes you are stuck recording in a coffee shop or a noisy room. That is where smart software steps in, cleaning up that room tone and letting AI handle the heavy lifting for your clips. I have got a sample here of a person reading a script that sounds amateur because of the annoying background hum. To fix this, I simply drag and drop my raw video file directly into a new Vizard project. Once uploaded, Vizard starts analyzing the file automatically, looking for speech segments and potential viral moments. While that finishes, I jump straight into the audio tools to start the cleanup process. You are mainly looking at two settings here: noise reduction strength and tonal compensation. Crank the noise reduction too high and you risk that robotic underwater sound, so keep it balanced. Tonal compensation is your best friend because it restores the natural warmth to the voice after the noise is removed. I usually start with a medium setting and preview the results to see if the voice sounds clear and present. Unlike traditional editors that require tedious manual fixes, Vizard is built for speed and efficiency. The real magic happens when Vizard finds those engaging spikes, the punchlines, and key emotional beats. You can quickly preview the enhanced audio versus the original to hear that crisp podcast quality difference. If the enhanced audio feels a little too thin, I just nudge the compensation slider until it sounds perfect. Once I am happy with the audio, I can let Vizard finalize these clips into vertical formats for social media. This saves hours of work because instead of exporting everything manually, the AI hands you a stack of ready-to-post content. You can even tweak the timing or speed ramp a clip if you need to catch a reaction or improve the rhythm. After the cleanup is applied, the final output sounds professional, punchy, and completely free of that distracting room tone. Then you can use the built-in content calendar to schedule these posts to go live at the perfect times. Managing your distribution directly from the editing tool creates a seamless loop from raw footage to active social presence. While some NLEs have decent tools, the friction of manually exporting and scheduling is exactly what Vizard solves. Remember, software is great, but good source audio combined with smart cleanup is how you get cinematic quality. If you want to try this workflow for yourself, I have included links in the description to get you started. Using those links helps support the channel and allows me to keep making these deep dives into editing tricks. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let me know your worst recording mishap in the comments. Check out these suggested videos if you want to learn more about audio mixing or multi-camera editing workflows. Until next time, keep experimenting with your gear and keep creating awesome content.